Hello friends, in the last video I have installed the latest version of Tailwind CSS. In this video we are gonna learn about SASS and Material UI and how to install and set up in Next.js. First of all, we need to know about what is SASS and Material UI. SASS is a CSS preprocessor. Style sheets are getting larger and more complex and harder to maintain. This is where a CSS preprocessor can help. What is Material UI? A popular React UI framework that provides a React component for faster and easier web development. I will use Material UI components in this project. Let's start. Delete the home.module.css file cause we don't need. Now copy npm install Node-SASS. Open the terminal and paste this command and hit enter. It will take a little time to install. Now open the _app.js file and change the extension of global.css file with SCSS. I didn't get any error. Now install the Material UI core components. I have opened the documentation of Material UI. Now copy command for the core components. Paste it into the terminal and hit enter. Now I need to install the Material UI icons. Add command npm I add material-ui/icon and hit enter again. I'm gonna add the button component in this project for testing. Now I'm gonna import the button component into the index.js file. Import button from @material-ui/core. I'm gonna change the paragraph tag into the material button. Cut class name with value and paste it into the parent div tag. Save the file and test. We can see a button in a browser. Now I am applying the variant content and color scannery on this button. Save the file and test again. It's looking nice. Now open the global.scss file and remove the outline on focus up button. We can see our line has gone. I opened the theme component from Material UI Git repo. Link is provided in the description. Copy that code, open the code editor. We don't need a API folder. Just delete it. Create a components folder in the project directory. Create a new file, theme.js, and paste code in it. Now open the underscore app.js file. Import theme provider and theme component. Wrap the application in the theme provider and add the theme component. Save the changes and test. Oops, I forget to write parentheses. Awesome. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.